If you want to learn this kind of sign up screen with that rated glass effect in the background, then stay with me for the next few minutes. Alright, so we are in Figma. First of all, I will rename the file to sign up screen. Then I will create the frame for a mobile screen, which is this one. Okay, so first I will add the layout grid for the boundaries, columns. I will change the color of the grid a little darker because we will work on the black, and we'll keep the margin 20 pixels on the sides. Now I will change the background color to black, and we'll add this grid to styles. So click on these 4 dots plus and name it as grid. I will hide it for now. So we will create a rated glass effect for the background now. For that, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. The width should be 70 pixels. We'll apply linear gradient but horizontal. Here we will add another pointer and will be pure black. And these other two will be pure white. But the opacity should be 5%. And the opacity of this black one will be 100%. The next thing that we need to do is to make it overlay. Now if we make a circle behind this rectangle shape and give it an orange color, and then if we apply a background blur effect to this rectangle shape, let's give it a random value like 150. You can see we applied that cool rated glass effect to this shape. Okay, now we will drag it to the screen. Let's make this circle a little bigger, and we'll place it right here. Then create another copy of this, and it will be smaller like this. Now we will make multiple copies of this shape by dragging and holding Shift and Alt key, then Ctrl D. You can see the effect in the background. You can also change the direction like this. Let's group these shapes together by pressing Ctrl G. We will animate these circles at the end, but now we will design sign up text and buttons on the screens. So select the text tool and write create account. It should be bold, and we'll change the font to outfit. The size should be 25 pixels. So we will align it to the middle, and now we will turn on the grid to make the content inside the boundaries. Okay, here we will make 2 buttons for Facebook and Google to allow the user if they want to sign up as Google or Facebook. So divide the width of the button on 2 and minus 10 pixels for the space between the buttons. We'll apply some roundness and we'll add a stroke of 1 pixel. White, and hide the fill. So we will create a copy by holding the Shift and Alt key. First, we need 2 icons for Facebook and Google. So I will open the Iconify plugin. Here I will search for Facebook. This one is fine. Then we'll search for Google. This one, just drag it to the canvas. Then we'll place icons right here, and we'll increase the sizes like this. Okay, great. I will write here Facebook should be regular and 18 pixels. Create a copy for that one, Google. Now we will create another option. So here in the middle, I will write R. We'll add dashes on the sides like this. Align it to the middle. Okay, now we will make some fields here. So select the line tool and draw a line of 1 pixel and white. The first field will be about full name. Make it group and create another copy for the second field. It will be about email address. The third one will be for passwords, and the fourth field will be for confirm password. But here I want to add an icon for hide and unhide the password. So I will open the plugin and will search for hide. This one is fine. Just drag it to the canvas and place it right here. Make it white. We will also add this icon to this field. Now here I want to add another option for terms and conditions. So I will select the rectangle tool and will make a small box, unfill, and add a stroke of 1 pixel and white. I will write here, I accept the terms and conditions. Now here we will add a CTA button. So I will draw a rectangle with a height of 60 pixels and the roundness should be 8 pixels. Pure white, and now we will write sign up in the middle of the button. Should be bold and 20 pixels. Now finally we will add an option here if someone already has an account so they can directly log in. I'll make this text regular and the size of the text will be 18 pixels. Let's turn off the grid so that we can see our design clearly. Now we will group these elements and we'll align it to each other and adjust the spacing level. Now I want to add a status bar on the top and the navigator to the bottom that I already copied to the clipboard. I will just paste it here and align it to the frame. Now we will group all these elements together. So I will select all these elements and will press Ctrl G. It's time to animate these circles in the background, but before that, let's give different colors to these circles in different frames. So I will create a copy of this frame by dragging and holding the Shift and Alt key. So here I will give the pink color to these circles and will change the position to something opposite to that one. Now we will create another copy of this. Not of this, but it will be easy if we create a copy of this one. Then we will just change the color of these and not need to change the positions also. Similarly, we'll change the color to green. Okay, now we will just connect these screens to each other. So go to the prototype tab and drag and hold this little arrow from that little plus icon and connect to the next screen. So instead of on tape, I will select after delay 1 ms, select smart animate and linear. We'll set the duration to about 4000 ms. Similarly, connect this one to the next. After delay, other things will be the same. And yes, it will be delayed after 1 ms. Similarly, this one after delay 1 ms, and we will connect the last one to the first one again. Now if we check it in the preview, you can see it's animating and changing colors itself. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.